Front office. Front office is the first and even the last department where interaction between guest and hotel takes place. You can watch the previous video on introduction to hotel front office for better understanding of various functions of front office. Hello friends, I am Naveen Chahal. Welcomes you all on Hospitality Broadcast. In this video we will discuss about various sections or sub-departments of front office and their functions. The major sections of front office are lobby, reception or registration desk, cash and bill section, telecommunication section, bell desk, business center, information desk, guest relation desk, concierge, tour and travel desk, and reservation section. The first area that you see after entering in a hotel is lobby. It is the synonym of word foyer, which is a large open area or an entrance hall in a building used by public. As it is most visible section of hotel spends a lump sum amount of money on its architectural design and interior decoration to make it look more luxurious and beautiful. Most of the front office sections with all necessary things are provided space in lobby area like reception desk, bell desk, information desk, concierge, tour and travel desk, telecommunications desk, cashier and billing desk, guest relation desk. Most of the 5-star and luxury hotels also have facility of coffee shop, bakery and confectionery items displayed at the side of lobby area, retail shop, etc. You may also find a clock room in the lobby area. For detailed video on clock room, check description and I button above. Next is reception or registration section. Reception desk receives and welcomes the guest on arrival in hotel. A team of supervisor, receptionist and guest relation executive work on reception desk. After the warm welcome, receptionist assist the guest in completing the registration process and allocate room. Some of the functions of reception desk are on your screen. You can pause the video and check these details. Many hotels also have specialist designation of guest relationship executive to assist the guest throughout check-in process. GRE also escort the guest to his room and familiarize him with room amenities and supplies. GRE may be provided a separate desk called guest relation desk, which maintain healthy relationship with guest. Besides assisting in check-in process, GRE also handles all queries, complaints or other issues which dissatisfies guests. This section also promotes hotel products, services and actively involved in upselling. In many hotels, the same functions and duties are performed by receptionist, information desk and concierge and vice versa. So it depends on hotel whether to have a separate desk of guest relation executive. Next is cash and bill section. This section handles all monetary transactions related to guest account. It is also located in lobby near to reception desk and headed by cashier. It maintains guest folio and settles the bill at the time of departure. Some of the functions of cash and bill sections are on your screen. Telecommunication section. It is responsible for all communication network in the hotel. The hotel may even have its own private branch exchange along with telegraph lines. This section is at the back of office and handling is done by telephone operator. Earlier, outgoing calls were routed through telephone operator to post charges for outgoing calls. But nowadays, private automated branch exchange handles all outgoing and incoming automatically and update guest folio accordingly. Wake-up calls are also pre-recorded on the system with guest message and which dials the guest extension number at pre-registered date and time with the message. Many hotels also provide paging services for transferring information between employees and from employees to guests over public address system. This system is also handled through telecommunication section. Some of the functions of telecommunication department are on your screen. But note it, some of these functions are directly handled through automated channel. Next is bell desk. It is located very close to the main entrance of lobby. This section is mainly responsible for luggage handling of the guest during check-in and check-out. It is headed by bell captain followed by bell boys, also called bellhops and page boys. Page boy acts like a messenger who transfer information and documents. In many hotels, this job is done by bellboys In some hotels, bell captain may be provided space at either side of reception to coordinate with receptionist and bellboys simultaneously. Some of the functions of bell desk are on your screen. Business Center. Business Center is a large room with computer and internet facility just like an internet cafe. In a large hotel, it is headed by Business Center manager followed by Business Center supervisors and attendants. It may and may not be a part of front office department. Some of the facilities provided in Business Center are providing internet access with computer, Xerox facility, typing and printout facility, fax machine. Next is Information Desk. In large hotel where guest traffic is high, a separate desk is created at either side of reception to handle the information and queries related to hotel services. Information desk is handled by information desk attendant who works under lobby manager. In small hotels, the same work is performed by receptionist. Some of the functions of information desk are on your screen. Next is Concierge. The main function of concierge desk is to provide information and personalized services like making dinner reservation, tour and travel arrangement, transport arrangement, booking movie tickets, flight tickets, etc. The person who handles concierge desk has good knowledge about locals like their culture, famous tourist places, nearest shopping complex, theatre, etc. He also have good contact with local merchants and service providers to fulfill guest requests. Some of the functions of concierge are on your screen. Concierge services were mostly limited to local area only. So to handle all these services at national and international level, there comes a separate desk called Tour and Travel Desk. In many hotels, all the functions of concierge are also performed by Travel Desk. As Tour and Travel Desk covers most of the functions performed by Information and Concierge Desk, so many hotels prefer to have just one desk instead of having all three. Tour and Travel Desk handles all travel arrangements like air ticketing, hotel reservation, sightseeing, pick-up, drop, etc. Its employee can be employed by two ways. One, by hotel itself having strong license and network. Second, by some tour and travel company based on some commission. In many hotels, all the functions of concierge are also performed by travel desk operators. The duties performed by this desk are on your screen. Next section is Reservation Section. The term reservation means booking some services or facilities in advance. In hotel, it is refers to booking of guest room for some future dates as specified. As most of the hotel take online reservation which lowers the burden from reception desk, even in many of the chain hotels, only online reservation is accepted. It works from back office and headed by reservation manager followed by a team of supervisors and attendants. In small hotels, reservation may be done by receptionist. A large hotel chain may have its own central reservation system, or an independent hotel can subscribe to international reservation system. The major functions of reservation sections are on your screen. Well, this is all about front office sections. I hope you like the video. If you do, hit like button. If you have any doubt, suggestion, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe Hospitality Broadcast. Thank you for watching.